In this 3-minute video, I'm going to show you how to fix that bad smell you have that you think is your black tank. All right, everybody, have you had that smell that you just can't identify and you think it's your black tank? A lot of people think it's their black tank, but guess what? It's a mystery smell and it's not your black tank. It just might be what I'm going to show you next. Lucy, what is that smell? If you walk into your bathroom and you notice that there's some kind of smell, but you just cleaned your tanks. When you leave your gray or black tank valves open, you're directly connected to the campground sewer. And that sewer has gases. And guess what? Those gases are going to seep in. Imagine the campground sewer gases coming up your sewer pipe right into your RV. It's not coming from your toilet because it's full of water. So it could be your bathroom sink, your kitchen sink, maybe even your shower. One of the most common things we see as full-timers is people leaving their tanks open and just letting it drain freely into the campground sewer. Now, leaving these open can cause a few problems. Let me show you what I'm talking about. You pull your black and your gray tanks to empty them. Fluids come out of your sewage pipe into the campground sewer. You close your black tank, and a lot of times people leave their gray tanks open. Now you have an empty pipe that allows gases from the campground sewer to come back up your pipes, their gray tank, and then that circulates back through your drains, through your sink, through your shower, and into the air. And gray tanks are especially susceptible because they don't have a really bad smell on their own, but when you mix that campground sewage gas with it, every time you run water and it goes down that drain, it basically creates a new flow and it allows that gas to escape. Boom, you have a bad smell. One thing we do is we use this Camco TST. It controls RV sink odors. If it's the gas, that's one thing, but you do want to make sure that your gray tanks are clean and that they stay fresh. So after you've flushed, go ahead and take about 4 ounces of this and just pour it down your sink and let it set in there. And that's all you need to do. So if you do have a bad smell, it might just be you causing it. So make sure you keep those valves closed, both your black and your gray, until they need to be emptied. If this helped you, or if you're just part of the RV lifestyle or RV traveling group, make sure that you check out our channel. Might learn something new.